Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your second lesson of Learn Dutch Vocabulary with Meanings in English video tutorial series. In this lesson, we will learn 20 Dutch words, their meaning and how to pronounce them. Let's start. Account is account, account, account. Accurate, accuraat, accuraat, accuraat. Accuse, beschuldigen, beschuldigen, beschuldigen. N is silent. Achieve, bereiken, bereiken, bereiken. Achievement, prestatie, prestatie, prestatie. Acid, zuur, zuur, zuur. Acknowledge, erkennen, erkennen, erkennen. Acquire, verkrijgen, verkrijgen, verkrijgen. Across, aan de overkant, aan de overkant, aan de overkant. Act, handelen, handelen, handelen. Action, actie, actie, actie. Active, actief, actief, actief. Activist, 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 activist. Activity, activiteit, activiteit, activiteit. Actor, acteur, acteur, acteur. Actress, actrice, actrice, actrice. Actually, werkelijk, werkelijk, werkelijk. Ad, advertentie, advertentie, advertentie. Adopt, aanpassen, aanpassen, aanpassen. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment box. Please give this tutorial a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family on social media websites. Please subscribe to my channel and visit ifactner.com. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.